MCQ type problem from central orbit. And problem is, a central orbit is described under the central force proportional to r to the power minus 5 at any point r theta. Then the pedal equation of the orbit is given by 4 options. Okay. Here we use directly the pedal differential equation of central orbit, which is given by h square by pq into dp dr. This is equal to f of r, and this is the central force. Okay. So we write here h square by pq into dp by dr. This is equal to, we write this is capital A into r to the power minus 5, because it is said that this is the proportional to r to the power minus 5. And now we write 1 by pq into dp. This is equal to A by h square r to the power minus 5 into dr. Now integrating, we get the result as p to the power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1, and from the right side we get A by h square into r to the power minus 5 plus 1 by minus 5 plus 1 plus another constant which is taken to be c. Okay, and clearly this is p square, p to the power minus 2, sorry, and this is equal to minus 2a by, this is minus 4h square r to the power minus 4 plus c. Okay, and we get another extra minus 2 also here, minus 2 into c. And now choosing a proper or appropriate initial condition, we may find out the constant of this integration may be equal to 0. Okay, so we get the result as 1 by p square. This is equal to something square, sorry, something constant, let it be c or c1 by r to the power 4. And it is written that this, by taking square root from both sides, we get 1 by p. This is equal to c2 by r square, and clearly this is p equal to, sorry, this is r square, p equal to a r square type equation. Okay, p, this is equal to a r square type equation. And from the given option, it is clear that option number 4 is the correct option for this central force. Right? Very easily we solve by using the pedal differential equation of central orbit. Thank you.